Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we are going to unbox and first use of the Ryobi 12-inch surface cleaner for the electric power washers. It has the 3 canister wheels. It's supposed to be 4 times faster cleaning than a standard nozzle. We'll see. And it has dual rotating high pressure water jets for streak-free cleaning. So no streaking while you clean. Alrighty. Now at the bottom here, it does say about the casters. Excuse me. Again, it does have 3. 1, 2, 3. And it says dual rotating high pressure water jets, and that's these here. So it looks like there's like 6 in there. That's just the picture. It's just 1 on this side and 1 on that side. That's really all that means. Maximum 3,100 psi. Well, I have a 2,000 psi one, so that'll work. Easily attaches to the 1/4 inch quick connect spray wand. Alrighty. So let's go ahead and open this up. On my last video on the sprayer itself, go take a look at the 40 volt 2000 psi sprayer that I just did a video on. I got some really good feedback on that. One question was, can it actually hold the 12 amp hour battery? Because I said it looks like it has the room, but I never actually put one in it. We'll find that out today. Also, I was asked, can it have one type of amp hour battery, like a 6 amp hour battery and a 12 amp hour battery? Or do they both have to be 12s and both have to be 6s? We're going to test that out today too. And the third question I got that was interesting was, how long do the Ryobi batteries, the 40 volt lithium batteries, last? Well, I was trying to think of how many actually died on me. There weren't too many. So I was thinking around 5 years, but one just died on me yesterday. So this one, a 40 volt lithium 5 amp hour battery that I got in 2017. So if you think about that, 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 9 years. Now, I use these pretty hard. So 9 years on a battery, that's pretty darn good. So between 5 and 9 years. How's that? At least on average. That I found for me. Alright, so let's get this thing opened. How did we get this open? Okay, let's go on this end. Dun, dun, dun. Ba-dum. Okay. Take it out of the bag. Ooh, it has some instructions. The surface, okay, so you do have, oh no, the canvas. It says how to put the casters in it, but the casters are in it. Okay. So there's the, it got excited. So there's the attachment that goes to the end of the wand. I wonder if I should have got a wand extender. We'll find out when we get out there. On the bottom, we do have the dual head sprayer. Again, ooh, and they're cocked a little bit to keep that thing moving. We have the 3 casters, and we have kind of a seal, I guess you would call it, that is like a brush. That's neat. Let's see, and it does boil around pretty good. All right, let's go out and give this thing a shot. Oh, and if you're wondering why I unboxed this inside instead of outside, well, there's an answer for that. Because on the last video, I also got some comments because I was outside and there was lawns being mowed and there was little wind in there. My voice wasn't getting picked up as well as it normally is. So that was irritating. So, okay, I listened. Oh, what is this thing? Oh, a nozzle cleaning tool. Look at that. It's a little piece of wire. So I guess if you need to clean the nozzles. Oh, I see. So if these nozzles get clogged up, there you go. They thought of everything. Look at that. And it's just the right size. Thank you, Ryobi. Ryobi. Now I got to figure out where to put that. Somewhere on the machine I'll be able to figure that out. All right. Let's go testing. It's going to be fun. If you want to see how all this is set up, go to the last video and that'll give you a pretty good indication on how it's done. Now, one thing I am curious about, I wonder if this will work with just one battery in it. Oh. The answer is yes. Okay. Let's go ahead and see if that 12 amp hour battery will actually fit in there. And yes, it does. Look at that. And will it close? Yep. It closes and seals. Now let's see if two different amps, 6 amp hour and 12 amp hour, if it'll run. Okay, light is on. Yep. It works. All right. Okay, it looks like just like any other attachment. Pull that up, push that down, and it clicks into place. Okie dokie. You just pull that trigger. Ooh. It's very quiet. You can tell over here when I did it with the high power sprayer nozzle how well it did. But because of all the water, you can't quite tell right now how well it's doing. You can kind of see swirls. I think it's doing a heck of a job. Well, and it doesn't look like I need an extension either, because this is pretty good. Well, it feels pretty good anyway, as far as the distance. Definitely a lot faster than just the sprayer head. But I think I'm going to have to go back with the sprayer head to get the corners. And you can tell when like rocks or something gets underneath, you can hear it kind of bouncing around in there. And then you just kind of tilt it to the side and it'll spit out whatever's in there. Wow, yeah, this is a lot quicker. Much more efficient. Like I said, I think I'm going to have to use that sprayer to get right on the edges, especially up against here. But on the other side with the grass, yeah, I can get right along the edge. So that's not too big of a deal. But any missers that I have or up against the landscaping, I'm definitely going to have to use a sprayer to get in there. But overall, I'm happy with it. Okay, now all I have to do really is just take a regular garden hose sprayer and just spray off the dirt that built up, that was kind of pulled up from the cement. And that's it. Although what I'm probably going to do is, you know, play with the sprayer, a high power sprayer, because I still have corners that I didn't want to get too close to the landscaping. But it made it all the way to the end, and let's see what power we have here left. The 6 amp hour, I got 2 bars. Now the 12 amp hour, I got 2 bars. Okay, so got this whole area done except for the first few squares that I did just with the high power sprayer to demonstrate when I unboxed the power sprayer itself. Oh, and by the way, this is just with water. I didn't use any soap or chemicals on it at all. That was just water. Wow. Well, I thank you for coming along with me today to unbox and test out the 12-inch surface cleaner for the Ryobi electric high power sprayer. And as always, have a great day. This is great. Damn birds.